What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to use Euro account on Revolut, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So guys, how to use an Euro account on your Revolut. So of course you need to open a Revolut app and log into your account. Then navigate to accounts, look for the account or wallet option in the apps menu, and then from the menu over there select Euro account. So if you have multiple currency accounts, choose the Euro account from the list and view balance and transactions in euros. So overall, then also you can make payments in euros as well. You can use the Euro account to make payments or transfer in euros. When making a transfer, ensure that you selected the Euro account as the source or destination depending on your transfer. Also, you can top up in euros. If you need to add funds to your Euro account, you can top it up with euros using various methods such as bank transfer or a card or inside the Revolut. Then you can do a currency conversion. So Revolut allows you to convert between different currencies at competitive rates. If you have funds in other currencies within Revolut, you can convert them to euros. So overall guys, there are some benefits and some losses on doing using a Euro account on Revolut. Basically, the best thing is if you're traveling quite frequently, you can use that Euro account to pay when you're on abroad to basically don't get the conversion rates and fees. So overall, that's a good feature on Revolut if you ask me. So overall, that would be it on how to use a Revolut Euro account. So thank you so much for watching. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. That's it guys, see you in our next video. Goodbye.